Yeah, so we're talking about the Delta variant here. Do we know what measures will be done to prevent the further spread of this variant?
Yes, Charles. Yusek Berheri said that they are now activating their DORS 3 and 4, which will add to the implementation of DORS 1 and 2, which focus on preventing returning overseas Filipinos from leaving their country of origin by imposing travel bans and restrictions, and also to conduct screening, quarantine, and testing at ports of our country. Now, DORS 3 is strengthening our PDITR strategy to immediately detect and trace COVID cases, especially variants, and DORS 4 is ensuring our healthcare capacity is ready for a surge for a timely COVID-19 management. Charles?
Jen, just to give us a better idea as to the numbers, how many Delta variant cases have been detected in other Asian countries like Indonesia or Singapore?
Okay, Charles, just to make a comparison, Singapore has the highest number of Delta variant in Asia with 1,052 cases. It is followed by Indonesia with 723 and Thailand with 144. In the Philippines, in our country, the Delta is still 0.49% of all the sample sequence, and the most dominant variant still in the country is the Beta variant with 23.35%, followed by the Alpha variant with 20.52% and Theta with 3.06%. Charles?
Right. Given this new information, Jen, is the Department of Health, or at least the IATF, looking at new testing or quarantine protocols in light of these new cases?
Well, Charles, Yusek Berheri said that will be part of the response. The recommendation is there might be a granular lockdown in a specific place or region, but if the Delta variant is dominant in that area, well, they might impose a stricter restriction. So let's just wait for the recommendation of the IATF in the coming days, Charles.
Right. Talking about stricter restrictions, what about the border controls for inbound travelers from abroad? Are we expecting this to be beefed up as well?
Well, this is what they have been doing even before this discovery of the Delta variant in the country. So the Bureau of Quarantine and the DOTR are on high alert in enforcing stricter border control, and the LGUs are being urged to monitor the arrivals of the returning overseas Filipinos. But apart from this, Charles, the DOH is also saying that there is really a need to increase our healthcare capacity to be ready for a surge, enhance our genomic biosurveillance, strengthening the implementation of PDITR, or the prevent, detect, isolate, treat, and reintegrate strategy. And above all, Charles, they urge everyone to have a strong compliance to the minimum public health standards and get vaccinated and complete the recommended doses as scheduled to prevent the further transmission of the Delta variant in our country. Charles?
Thanks for those updates, Jen. That was Jen Calimon reporting live from Malabon.